Hey, come on and get the bread. Come on and get the bread, Windjammer. I got the bread in the water. Hey, Windjammer, I put it in the water. Come and get your piece of bread. Hey, Windjammer, the bread of life, the bread of life, the bread of life. Good morning, Windjammer. Trinitron9, rocking and rolling, rocking and rolling.
If they try to pass any bogus fives, let them know I'm not on the mall, because I'm just rolling. We just got on. I'll see. I got a 21. Bye bye now.
Father's Day wave right back, my friend. Father's Day wave right back, no doubt about it. Hey, Windjammer, have a real good Sunday. Take care till we do it again. Windjammer, Trinitron9, riding my wave, walking on all my water. Windjammer, bye, bye, bye.
I appreciate you throwing it down to this point. We got to have the practice for that candy there.
Bang, bang, bang. Hey, Windjammer, bang, bang, bang. Hey, Windjammer, you said live in JD's Watergate. I got a video game rolling right now myself. Hey, Windjammer, I got a video game rolling right now myself, man. Hey, Windjammer, Trinitron9, rocking and rolling. Trinitron9, rocking and rolling. The man with all that bread and the man with all that water. Got that?
Estimate on a Sunday on Daddy Day. Hey, Nighthawk, I got to work 7 days a week, but it is what it is. Nighthawk in Virginia, Swampweed Everglades is getting down. Bye-bye.
Trinitron9, riding the wave. Trinitron9, riding my wave. Trinitron9, walking on my water. Hello around DS Lane, Trinitron9, Coney Island, rocking and rolling. Hello around DS Lane, Trinitron9, Coney Island, rocking and rolling.
Right there, right back, 86. Daddy Day, right back to you, 86-0 in the northeast corner, ain't no doubt about it.
It's a mess out here in Coney Island. Hey, Windjammer, it's a mess out here in Coney Island. Hey, Windjammer, I wish you can clean my radio up right now. It's a mess out here in the deep waters. Hey, Windjammer, can you clean up my Coney Island radio? Hey, Windjammer, can you clean up my Coney Island radio? I got a mess out here right about now. What about it, Windjammer? Trinitron9, rocking and rolling, rocking and rolling.
86-0, I want you to have a good, prosperous, happy Daddy Day right back to you, no doubt about it. 86-0, Daddy Day, wave to you. You got that damn hammer down with that bluegill. 86-0, Swampweed is getting down. 13-0.
I'm going back to the boardwalk. It's rough out here in Coney Island. Trinitron9 getting out of the water. And I'm going back to the boardwalk. I'm going to sit on the dock of the bay and watch the ships go by. I'll eat another piece of bread in the dock of the bay while I watch the ships go by. Good morning on the band. Good morning. Trinitron9, rocking and rolling. Trinitron9, rocking and rolling. The man with all that bread and the man with all that water getting down.
If it wasn't for Ghost Rider, there wouldn't be a Swampweed break.
It's rough out here in Coney Island. It's rough out here in Coney Island. I'll catch y'all in the next wave. I'll catch y'all in the next wave. Trinitron9 gonna sit in the dock of the bay. Bye, bye, bye.
86-0. The balls is 10-7 gone. Bye-bye now. Take you later, baby. Slow boy. Enjoy your Father's Day, because Windjammer's enjoying his Father's Day. You enjoy your Father's Day as well. Baby slow boy. Baby slow boy. Windjammer, Georgia. Bye-bye-bye.
Windjammer was all by himself in Coney Island talking to somebody else that time around. Windjammer was all by himself in my Coney Island radio talking to somebody else that time around. Yeah, Trinitron9 back in the dock of the bay. I'm back in the dock of the bay in Coney Island. Trinitron9, got down.
I ain't Bye-bye now. I killed that hoe. I got her down.